Just apply turmeric and petroleum jelly tonight and get ready for amazing results tomorrow. Believe me, doctors don't want you to know this, but this powerful 100% natural solution can transform those painful knees forever. If you've tried everything, creams, medications, even physical therapy, but still feel that persistent pain in your knees or ankles, stop scrolling. This little homemade recipe could change your life forever. And today I'm going to reveal exactly how to prepare it at home, step by step, with no complicated tools and no expensive ingredients. Let's start with turmeric, the main ingredient in this formula. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to a small bowl. Its natural anti-inflammatory power is amazing for relieving painful joints. Next, add petroleum jelly. 1 tablespoon is enough. It creates the perfect base. Now add an ingredient that doctors never mention, coconut oil. Just add a teaspoon. Coconut oil is rich in oleocanthal, which acts as a gentle, natural anti-inflammatory that has been trusted for generations to soothe persistent joint pain. Comment below with the name of your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Imagine waking up tomorrow without that constant pain, without spending more money on medications, and here's the surprise: baking soda. Just half a teaspoon is enough. It helps bring all these powerful ingredients together, creating a smooth and easy-to-apply cream. This is the real secret to its effectiveness. Mix well until you form a golden, rich, creamy, and smooth paste. Now let's see how to apply it. Gently spread a generous layer over your knee, ankle, or wherever you feel pain. Massage in small circular motions to stimulate blood circulation and help the formula penetrate. I know it sounds too simple to be true. You might be wondering why you should believe this. I had the same doubts until I tried it myself, and thousands of people who now live pain-free felt just as skeptical at first, but they gave it a chance, and so should you. This is real relief that respects the healing power of your own body. Next, wrap the area with plastic wrap. This will keep the heat in and increase absorption. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this at home. And here's the magic. Let it sit overnight. While you sleep, the mixture goes to work, reducing inflammation, soothing the pain, and restoring flexibility. Repeat for 7 consecutive nights, and you'll feel a big difference. Go to the kitchen, grab these simple ingredients, and make it today. You deserve to live without pain, with more energy and the freedom to do the things you love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more powerful natural tips.